What's up guys, welcome to Cooking Bourdain, where we cook all Anthony Bourdain recipes. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any weekly videos. We have big plans, we'll see how far this goes. Today we're making Anthony Bourdain's Bodega sandwich with Swiss cheese, Kaiser rolls, eggs and bacon. It's unclean, it's greasy, it's deep. The perfect solution to mornings of bloodshot eyes and headaches, energizing you through 5 flights of stairs, 3 city blocks, 2 buses, and the subway. You'll need it. You deserve it. This recipe is from Appetites, a cookbook. If you don't have it yet, pick it up at the link in the description below. Crack 4 eggs into a medium mixing bowl. Tiny whisk. Beat well. Season with salt and pepper. You're not making scrambled eggs here, you're making a kind of value-neutral omelet, so don't worry about retaining big curds in the pan. Slice the Kaiser rolls in half. Heat a large heavy-bottomed skillet or cast-iron griddle pan over high heat until hot, then add the bacon. Cook until golden brown and crisp, adjusting the temperature as necessary so it doesn't get burned. If it burns, start over. No one likes burnt bacon. Double order of bacon. You can also cook your bacon in the oven. Using a spatula or tongs, remove the bacon to a plate. Open the Kaiser rolls and place them face down on the griddle for 2 minutes to warm through and absorb some of that bacon grease. Food conservationists everywhere will be proud. Your doctor, not so much. These are the greasy, bacony, buttery, toasted buns you deserve. Remove them and place to the side. But it gets better. Cook the eggs in the hot bacon grease until cooked through. Top with Swiss or American cheese distributed in an even layer and let cook until slightly melty. Separate for the 2 sandwiches and fold closed. Forget about pastrami. The iconic New York City sandwich is bacon, egg, and cheese on a hard roll, cooked on a griddle, and served by someone who addresses you as papi or mami. The language of New York City in the mornings is Spanish, or more accurately, Spanglish. And even the non-Spanish speakers lined up at the Bodega counter usually make an attempt. It's the last bastion of non-Starbucks breakfast, and maybe the last place in New York where construction workers, doormen, hedge funders, black, white, Asian, and Latin gather in one room, united by a single purpose, the Bodega sandwich. Chopper fold is necessary to fit your rolls. An eggy, cheesy grenade. Good food is very often, even most often, simple food. Let's build our sandwich. Divide the eggs evenly among the rolls and park 3 slices of bacon inside each roll. Close the sandwiches and serve. Wrap in foil if taking to go. Anyone who's a chef, who loves food, ultimately knows that all that matters is it good? Does it give pleasure? The Bodega sandwich does not disappoint. There it is, the perfect comfort food. And don't forget your shitty coffee. We're cooking all Bourdain's recipes. Subscribe, hit the bell, tell a friend. Hope this will be worth at least 5 to 10 minutes of your time each week. If you love Anthony Bourdain and you love food, buckle up. Let's do this. Spread the word. Eat well. We'll see you soon.